If you are on WhatsApp and you do not get the call on your cell phone, the first thing we should do is look for our WhatsApp application. In WhatsApp, we can see so many options, but we go to the settings. In settings, you can see your account and your notification. Pressing notification and the three dots appear reset notification settings. The second option is go to the settings of your phone and go to notification. And we can see notification on apps icon or apps notification. For example, we can see so many apps, but I interest WhatsApp. This notification is activated if this blue, but this is great, doesn't notification about calls. And that's all, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more content with us.